Sir, how are you feeling right now? Can I ask your reaction?
No question.
No question. What country are you from, sir?
Don't answer any questions, all right? Stay as calm as you can. Let me know if you feel
It's a media.
Do you have any reaction?
Remember your right to remain silent.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe. If you're my return subscriber, thank you for your support, always coming back to watch my videos. The United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, that is ICE, has been actively deporting Jamaicans from the United States, with recent developments sparking concern among the Jamaican community. Now, recently, the Jamaican Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith has verified that around 2,500 Jamaicans are set to be deported from the United States. She said this during a press briefing at the office of the Jamaican Prime Minister. She also dismissed the reports that were going around that around 4,000 Jamaicans will be deported back to Jamaica from the United States as part of Trump's immigration enforcement.
Allow me to be clear that 4,000 Jamaicans are not being returned now. For some time, it has been in the public domain that the U.S. authorities had close to 4,000 persons in their records with final orders for deportation against their names. It is now our understanding that approximately 2,500 have been confirmed for removal over a period of time. To be determined by logistics, their own legal processes, and other factors.
So this is the video obtained from Status Quo YouTube channel, and you can see ICE agents going after random people, asking them about their names and then detaining them for further questioning.
Do you have a phone number you'd like to give me for a family member?
Phone number for her.
Yeah, phone number for family. Give us.
What will be the offense when cow commits?
So these are guys being arrested at the Immigration Court in New York. And one thing I like about this guy that has been arrested, he has maintained his cool. That is how it's supposed to be. You are supposed to cooperate with some of them, because they can even end up unaliving you if you don't cooperate with some of them. It's so tough and terrible.
Hey guys, move out of the elevator. Back up. You already got photos. You got photos. Back up to get on the elevator. I got it. I'm going, man.
In this video, I noticed that most of the guys who are being arrested were the black guys and people from the Spaniola community. So this is another guy that has been arrested, and one thing that you see or notice is that there's no need for resisting, because it can escalate further.
ID? You don't have to give ID. You do not have to give ID. You do not need to confirm your name.
We believe this case is still.
There are also some attorneys there trying to advise on the details to give to the ICE and what not to issue to the ICE.
Back. What's your name?
So in this section, this guy immediately was asked about his name. He started resisted, he started running away, and he was caught after by the ICE agents.
This is bad new. No, not. Yes, he's coming too.
You don't have to respond to questions. You have the right to remain silent.
Grab the jacket.
I'm an attorney.
Trying to get out of your way.
You do not have to confirm your identity.
Back up.
You don't have to give any identification. You don't have to talk to them. You don't have to respond to any questions. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to counsel. You don't have to give your paper documents. You don't have to consent. You're okay. You're okay. Just relax. They'll take you down for processing. You don't have to respond to anything that they ask. You don't have to provide any ID. Just be quiet. Nope, no ID.
Over there.
No ID.
Get out the way. Move. Step out of the way.
These ICE agents don't care whether, as long as you are in the court, in the immigration court, they just arrest you. You can see they're arresting each and everyone. But majority that of the people are being arrested were blacks, and you can see this is Espanol, and they don't care because this guy is having a baby, and I think his wife, because in front there you can see there's a lady with a baby, and this guy maybe had come for the court session. They don't care.
No, let's talk to him. Let ask.
Because she's with the baby.
He's going to the bathroom.
Okay.
Videos obtained from the Status Quo YouTube channel have showed ICE agents on 10th June 2025 in New York Immigration Court donning their official uniforms, arresting immigrants as they left Immigration Court. Some of these people who have been who are arrested, they didn't even know their immigration status before arresting them. These happenings and many other raids of ICE have led to anti-ICE demonstration in different places in the United States, as people are against the way these arrests are being made, the way families are being separated. Now, some of the farmers in the United States are grappling with the problem of workers, because workers are fearing showing up in their workplaces because of fear of the arrests of ICE. And also, some of the raids that the ICE are doing, they are doing the raids on wearing balaclavas, making some people not to know if they are legal ICE agents or they're just goons or people who are masquerading as ICE agents and they're not ICE agents.
I'm going to answer the mask question. So, no, not the mask, the mask. So, a lot of agencies were invited to come out 2 weeks ago in Los Angeles where we ran an operation where ICE officers were doxxed. So let's just say that again. People are out there taking photos of the names, their faces, and posting them online with death threats to their family and themselves. So I'm sorry if people are offended by them wearing masks, but I'm not going to let my officers and agents go out there and put their lives on the line and their family on the line because people don't like what immigration enforcement is. They are wearing those masks because we ran an operation with the Secret Service where we arrested someone that was going online, taking their photos, posting their families, their kids' Instagram, their kids' Facebooks, and targeting them. So let me ask, is that the issue here, that we're just upset about the masks? Or is anyone upset with the fact that ICE officers' families were labeled terrorists?
It is remembered that this year, in January 30th, a deportation flight from the United States landed in Kingston, Jamaica, and it was their first, or this marked the first such scheduled flight for the year. The exact number of the deportees about that flight up to date, it is not that clear, but the Jamaican government has confirmed that the arrival of these deportees was in line with the established protocols. If you search about the internet, you'll discover that the number of Jamaicans affected is around 5,000 Jamaicans who have been issued with final removal orders from the US, according to a document that was bearing the ICE logo and the Department of Homeland Security. This number of the Jamaicans who have been issued with the final removal orders is part of a larger list of over 1.4 million non-citizens of the United States with final orders of removal from the United States. So the government of Jamaica is actively monitoring the situation and working closely with the United States authorities to address concerns. The Foreign Affairs Minister, Camilla Johnson-Smith, has urged Jamaicans with concerns about their immigration status to seek professional legal advice. The government has also compiled a list of trusted attorneys who can assist with immigration cases, which is available. This list is available on the Jamaican Embassy's website. Jamaica is not only the country that is affected. Of course, there are so many countries, but looking at the Caribbean countries that are affected, One with the highest number, the one with the highest number is Cuba, with 42,339 individuals with final removal orders, followed by Haiti with 32,363 individuals with final removal orders, and followed by Dominican Republic, 12,000 individuals with final removal orders. We have Guyana, 1,236 individuals with final removal orders. Trinidad and Tobago, 1,197 individuals with final removal orders. What does this mean for Jamaicans? If you are a Jamaican national living in the United States without proper documentation, it's essential to be aware of your rights and the current immigration laws. You may want to consider consulting with an immigration attorney to understand your options and potential risks. Thank you guys for staying tuned to this channel. If it is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your sweet comment. Until next time, God's blessings.